Hello students, today I am explaining you intermediate first year third chapter straight lines 7 marks important question. Question number is 6. Let us read the first question. If Q h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular of P x1 y1 on the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then prove that h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now solution is, first write this is the line ax plus by plus c, and here is a point that is what p is a x1 and y1. P is a x1 y1, this is the foot of the perpendicular q is h comma k. See, this is the perpendicular line and this is q is foot of the perpendicular, and it is given as h comma k, and the point is also given, that is x1 y1, and this is the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Given P equals to x1 y1 and q is equals to h comma k. Now we want to find slope of PQ. Find the slope of PQ, where P is a x1 y1 and q is x2. See, it is the x1 y1 and the second coordinates x2 y2. Slope formula here, m1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In this formula I am going to substitute these points. y2 is what? K minus y1 is y1 by x2 is h minus x1 is x1. Therefore we got m1 is equals to k minus y1 by h minus x1. This is the slope of PQ. PQ slope is what? K minus y1 by h minus x1. Now I am going to find the slope of this line. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is m2 is equals to minus a by b. So the first slope m1 is equals to k minus y1 by h minus x1, and here the second slope is a minus a by b, and these two lines are perpendicular lines. Here is what? This PQ is perpendicular on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we can write it now. m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. The slope of the perpendiculars are, the product of perpendicular is equals to minus 1. The condition of the slope of the perpendiculars is the product of the slopes should be equals to minus 1. So now I am going to substitute m1, m2 values in this equation. What is m1? m1 is k minus y1 by h minus x1 into m2 is what? Minus a by b is equals to this minus 1. We can cancel minus minus both the sides. After this, write k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equals to, transfer this a by b to right side, and that becomes b by a. That is becomes is what? B by a. And next we exchange these two values. Now we can write it now, k minus y1 by b, take this b here downwards, and this down denominator value take to in place of b, h minus x1 by write a as it is. So now we can write it. Let write it the first, h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to, assume this value is equals to k. This is the first equation. After we substitute the two slopes in this equation, we can cancel minus both the sides. After write this part as it is, k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equals to, and transfer this a by b to right side, that is change as a b by a. So after that we exchange this x minus h minus x1 and the b value, we interchange them. The b is comes in the place of h minus x1, and in place of h minus x1 take b, and in the b place is this one. So we get this type of the equation. After that, assume this equation as k, that is the first equation. Now I am equating this k with this h minus x1 by a is equals to k, and also this k is equated with the second term, that is k minus y1 by b is equals to k. So I equate the first and last, and next second and the last. Right, by 1 and do cross multiplication, h minus x1 is equals to ak, and h is equals to, take this x1 to right side, this minus x1 becomes plus x1 is equals to, h is equals to x1 plus ak. And this is also we can write by 1 and do cross multiplication, k minus y1, 1 into k minus y1 is a k minus y1 is equals to b into k is a bk. Right now k is equals to, so transfer this minus y1 to right side, that is change as a plus y1. So y1 plus bk. Now this is the h value and it is the k value. But this q, h comma k lie on the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. The point q is the lie on ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That's why in place of x we can write h, in place of y we can write y. Now we are going to substitute this in place of here. I am writing this a as it is, and in place of x substitute h plus b, in place of y is a k plus c equal to 0. Yes, now the equation ah plus bk plus k equal to 0, I am going to substitute h value as x1 plus ak and k value as y1 plus bk. So I am writing a as it is, in place of h x1 plus ak, plus writing b is also as it is, in place of k substituting y1 plus bk plus c equal to 0. The next this bracket term is multiplying with A and this bracket term is multiplying with B. Then what will we get? A into x1 ax1 plus A into ak is a square k plus b into y1 by1 plus b into bk is b square k plus c equal to 0. And next write the k terms first. A square k plus b square k, and next write plus ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0. And write these two terms as it is. A square k plus b square k is equals to, transfer these three terms. Transfer these three terms to right side. That becomes minus of, because it is having a plus symbol, plus symbol, plus symbol. Then that is a minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. And from this LHS take a k common. Then a square plus b square will be remain in the bracket is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Then we can write now this k is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by, take this a square plus b square to right side, that becomes by a square plus b square. K is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by by a square plus b square. This is what? Second equation. Equation 1 is h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to k. This is the first equation. And second equation is k equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. From these two equations, from 1 and 2, what can we write? In place of this k, we can substitute this value. So write h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to, in this k plus, we can write this value minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So this is the required answer. Hence